To make our 5-inch confetti-filled balloons, we're going to need the following equipment. We're going to need our 5-inch diamond clear. We can also use this same technique to make 11-inch and 16-inch confetti-filled balloons. We're going to need a hand pump so we can pre-stretch the balloon to increase the surface area. We're going to need one of these tools. This tool is known as a castration tool, that's its primary purpose, but for this exercise we'll call it a balloon neck stretching tool, because you can see when I squeeze it, it opens up and it will allow us to open up the balloon. We're also going to need our confetti. I've got a nice big bag of confetti here. I'm actually using one that's called Raindrop. It's a small square cut confetti. And we're going to need a cloth. The cloth will help us to build the static once we've put the confetti in the balloon. So let's start. We're going to put some air into the 5-inch balloon just to stretch it. Just let the balloon down. And you can see we've created a slightly bigger surface area. We're going to take our tool and we're going to carefully insert the prongs inside the neck, but don't stop there. Push the balloon further down, which means that the prong will actually open up the body of the balloon. So when I stretch it, if I turn it round, you can see that we can actually see right inside the balloon. I can change my hand position. I'm now going to carefully scoop out some confetti. So I don't need a funnel or anything else. I'm just going to carefully scoop a little bit of confetti into my balloon. Don't need a lot in there. And then just release the pressure on the tool. Now remove the tool from the balloon. I always open the tool back up again because there's always a little bit of confetti left on the prongs, and just pop that back into the bag. So this way it's nice and clean and easy, and we're not actually wasting any confetti. Now we're going to inflate our balloon. Just size it to the size that you want it. Give it a little squeeze to make sure the balloon is nice and clear. Twist it and knot it. And then I'm just going to move that out of the way. And here I've got my cloth. And the way we build static is we position the balloon on the cloth and we give it a little rub. And where we rub it is where the confetti will stick. So I shall just keep doing that until I've got a really good covering on my balloon. Now obviously if the static conditions change, so if you change from one venue to another, you may find that the confetti will drop. But generally this holds really well for several days. And you can see you've got a really good coverage on there, which is absolutely perfect.